How to add video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your clips are arranged on the timeline. Next, click the effects button on the top left corner to open the effects library. Under the video transitions section, you will find a variety of transition effects like dissolve, wipe, slide, and more. To add a transition, simply drag your chosen transition and drop it between two clips on the timeline. Once the transition is placed, you can adjust its duration by clicking and dragging its edges directly on the timeline. For more precise control, click on the transition in the timeline to open the inspector panel on the right side. Here you can customize settings such as transition style, duration, and alignment. Don't forget to preview your video by playing the timeline to see how the transitions flow between your clips and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, once you are happy with the transitions, continue editing or export your project as usual. And that's it. Now you know how to add video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.